Essentially what we do is we manufacture, develop, distribute in vitro diagnostics that are used now all over the world. We've got a huge network of distributors. We've got partnerships with some very key players, with Certest, with RUL, with Q-Linea, who we represent in the UK. ProLab Diagnostics, established in 1974, originally in Canada by our current president and CEO, Robert Ray. Then in America in 85, and then here in the UK in 89. This facility, this opened in, 15 years ago, so a little while after we started, recently refurbished, as you can see from the footage, etc. So we built a nice suite of offices for everybody. We extended because we had more staff. It gave us more room to operate downstairs with production, because there's a lot of production here. In the UK, after, it's 36 years now, I have to keep reminding myself of that, 36 years, everybody in Europe, everyone in the world knows who ProLab is.
I've been here 16 years now, and it's gone from what it was back then to something we could never have imagined it to have been. So we always get asked the question, where can you see the company in 5 years? And honestly, I couldn't give you an answer. The company has grown over the past 3, 4, 5 years quicker than I think any of us could have imagined.
So ProLab is a privately owned, medium-sized company. And because of that, it does give us a lot of room for manoeuvre when it comes to doing things slightly differently. I think this is really appreciated by our loyal customers, because we can be really quick in pivoting when things change or we need to respond quickly to a new outbreak, etc.
It's going to be very exciting and very busy, but I'm really excited to see where we actually are in 5 years. Bigger and better, I imagine.
Oh, the future's bright always. Lots of exciting new innovations coming our way. So yeah, I look forward to many more years.
So production's controlled basically with our ISO. Okay, we run reports, we have schedules. Myself and Andy, who is our lab supervisor, we basically run through the schedule every morning, every day, and we basically monitor and check using Teams, lot number logs, controls, and all things like that, just to make sure everything runs as smoothly as possible. Traceability, we have, so Minotaur, our system that we use, any product that comes in, we can trace. Okay, anything gets a MAF number, a spec code, lot number, we then run work orders for any stains, any products, anything that we do. So anything is traceable. All paperwork is signed off. We know who labelled it, plugged it, capped it, bagged it, shipped it, who put the powder in, the water in, picked the bottle. Every single aspect of the product we can trace back using MAF numbers, spec codes, and the systems that we use downstairs. So we are governed by ISO 13485, obviously with the help of Mike. We have manufacturing documents and SOPs that we are governed to follow. So the guys are constantly kept up to date with that. Okay, we have protocols in place and systems that we have to follow. And again, everything is signed off, checked. QC, we have a QC team in Amy and Heather, who basically monitor and control any product that leaves this building to make sure that we are hitting the level that we're supposed to hit.
And the whole culture, I think, of what it is that we do is everybody enjoys what they're doing. People talk about team, people talk about family. It's a close-knit group of people here. And, as I've always said to people, if you enjoy what you do, you'll succeed. And if you're successful, then you're enjoying it.
The guys get on. We're like a very dysfunctional family. We've got a mixture of guys and girls who work here. They all get on, they all have a laugh. We do Food Fridays to keep everyone together. We're going go-karting in a month, and we're taking all the team there just to sort of keep everyone sort of getting along, chipping away, make sure it's not just all work. We do have quite a lot of fun here as well.
So I've worked at ProLab for the last 20-ish years. I'm really nearly part of the furniture. But I love my job, and I don't think many people can say that about a position that they've been in for so long. And we like to keep things fun and interesting, and yeah, just we like to have a laugh. A lot of companies are quite stiff, and that's not how we operate. We like to have fun. We like to bring some humour to our work. And as you know, as you'll see on our stands at exhibitions and things, we've always got the penguins, which people love, you know. So it just brings a little bit of lightness to what could be a very serious topic.
Well, we choose them very strategically, the partnerships that we have. I mean, Certest, I think most people have heard of Certest. It's one of the largest manufacturers now of lateral flow and PCR kits. In particular, of course, everybody still talks about COVID. They were the first company with us to produce a dual target PCR kit, which just went crazy for us. We did an awful lot of work. We made a big contribution. We're proud of that. And also the biobanking side of things with ILSA. You know, it's important, I think, to partner with these companies sometimes, because you can't manufacture everything yourself.
So our customers are central to our business. So customer satisfaction, quality of products that we supply is really, really important. And that's basically the cornerstone of our company. I think our customers really enjoy spending time with us, and we view them not as just customers, but as close friends.